Welcome you all, my dear students. In the last class, we are completed one topic, that is matrices. After that, we will have one more topic, that is which is related to the last completed topic, that is matrices. Now we are going to take the chapter, that is determinants. Then what is the definition of determinants? After that, how the determinant occurs, or what are the conditions it will have a determinant to a real number or a complex number. That's why here determinant definition says, if capital M is the set of square matrices, capital M is the set of square matrices, and capital A is the set of numbers. Set of numbers, either they are real number or complex number. But in your study, you have only real numbers, not complex number. But the purpose of CET or some competitive exam, you must take a determinant of some values which are comes under a complex numbers category. But our study determinant chapter, we will take numbers which are nothing but real numbers. The definition says, if capital M is the set of square matrices and capital A is the set of numbers which are real or complex, then we are going to take one function, that is capital M is function from capital M to capital K is defined by small f of capital A is equal to small k. It is not capital K, it is small k, where the capital A belongs to capital M, that is set of square matrices. Why? Because set of square matrices, because M is the set of square matrices, therefore each A, which is also a square matrix category, and small k is nothing but a number. That number belongs to a capital number, that is k, where k is either real or complex. But we are going to take here real number only, k. Then f of a is called, then what we call that f of a is called a determinant of capital A. Determinant of capital A, it is also determined by these two lines. In case of first year, these two lines, it looks like a modulus. It looks like modulus, but in case of determinant chapter, these two between or in that there is a letter, that is capital A. These two lines bears the same determinant, not a modulus. These two lines are nothing but the lines which are taken to be a determinant, or you write it as dt of a, small dt of a, that is determinant of a. Better you write, or you write delta. There are three namings for determinants. Either you write, if the matrix is A, square matrix is A, then you write it as determinant of A, or dt of A. If they are not mentioned the matrix, simply you can write it as delta. This delta, it represents, in case of determinant chapter, it represents a determinant. Then suppose you have a square matrix, it is an order is 2 cross 2, correct? You have the square matrices definition. In case of matrices topic, number of rows equal to number of columns, then that matrix is going to be a square matrix. But in case of determinants, our focus is only for square matrices of the different orders. Means if you take other than square matrices, then the determinant will not work. If determinant chapter will work only on the basis of square matrices of different order. But in your study, we have only two square matrices are very important. That is of the order 1 cross 1. Sometimes 1 cross 1 is a number itself. Therefore, just to leave 1 cross 1, better you go 2 cross 2 and 3 cross 3. There are two important orders which are very important for our ongoing classes. That is determinant topic. If A is equal to, capital E is equal to ABCD, which is a matrix of order 2 cross 2, then determinant of capital A is written as dt of A, or you write it as two lines with A. This is nothing but, this is, now it becomes a lines. Before that we have square brackets, Before that we have a square brackets. Now we have two lines. That is nothing but before it is a 2 cross 2 square matrix. Now the determinant becomes these two lines, which is nothing but A, B, C, D, right? As it is, which is nothing but D, D of A. Then some of the notes which are important while studying the topic, that is determinants, I have written three notes which are very important for your memory. That first note says that for a matrix capital A, these two lines with A, that is determinant of A, is read as determinant of A and not modulus of A. Because we are familiar in first year, it was what? Modulus of A. But in case of determinant of A, that value is nothing but determinant of A and not modulus of A. It is determinant of A. After that, second note, it says that only square matrices have determinants. For all matrices will not obey the rules of determinant. Only matrices which are of the order, that is square. Square in the sense 2 cross 2, 3 cross 3, 4 cross 4, n cross n or m cross m. If the matrix of different orders, then the determinant will not work. Therefore, determinant will work only for square matrices, of the order of square matrices. Then I will give the conclusion in while taking the examples. Better you think that sign convention for 2 cross 2 matrix, sign convention for 2 cross 2 matrix is plus minus, minus plus. Sign convention for 2 cross 2 matrix is plus minus, minus plus. For 3 cross 3 matrix, plus minus plus. For 3 cross 3 matrix, plus minus plus, minus plus minus, plus minus plus. Which are nothing but places of entries, places of the entries or signs of their respective places. Signs of their respective places, because you are familiar in case of matrices. This place belongs to A11. The place belongs to A11. This place belongs to A12. This place belongs to A13. A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. These are some places where the signs are in the format plus minus plus, minus plus minus, plus minus plus. These two are very important for finding the some term like minors and cofactors in the later section, correct? After that. Then we move towards how to find out different orders like 1 cross 1, 2 cross 2 and 3 cross 3. Then how to find out the determinants. We will discuss one by one. Then next point is to be determinant of a matrix of order 1 cross 1. I will write. Determinant of matrix of order first one. Determinant of a matrix of order 1 cross 1. Determinant of a matrix of order 1 cross 1. This is I told in the classes because 1 cross 1 is a square matrix, 2 cross 2 is a square matrix, 3 cross 3 is also a square matrix. But our study only focus on 1 cross 1 sometime, but you must be over 2 cross 2 and 3 cross 2 matrix. Here, determinant of a matrix of order 1 cross 1. I will write let A is equal to this A be a square matrix, be a square matrix of order 1 cross 1. Then the determinant of capital A is given by this value, determinant of A, which is nothing but simply write determinant of A, which is equal to what? A. Determinant of a matrix of order 1 cross 1, correct? Which is nothing but this value, which is nothing but simply you write A. Suppose determinant of 5 itself, determinant of x itself. Determinant of 10, 10 itself. Determinant of 100, 100 itself. Therefore, if the order of a matrix that is 1 cross 1, then that determinant value is nothing but the value itself. What are given in the, what they are given in the matrix. That is, they are given as a element is A, our determinant value should be A. After that, second one, determinant of a matrix of order 2 cross 2. Determinant of a matrix of order 2 cross 2. I will write 2 cross 2 matrix like capital A is equal to A11, A12, A11, A12, A21, A22 be a square matrix of order 2 cross 2. Then determinant of A is given by determinant of A, which is equal to this value, that is A11, A12, after that A21, A22. Correct? Look at the matrix of order 2 cross 2, no doubt it is 2 cross 2. Correct? It is 2 cross 2. It is 1 cross 1. 2 cross 2, which are the values? Just to put the lines rather than square. But this is not a matter. Our job is to find that value, which is nothing but, which implies determinant of A, or directly write there only, which is equals to A11. Just to get the value, here there will be multiplication, here there will be multiplication, here there will be multiplication. After that, this is also a multiplication value. Correct? We have to multiply left top, right bottom. We have to multiply left top element, right bottom element. After that, here right top element, left down element, that is A21. I will write here A11. After that, A22. A11, A22. After that, minus A12, A21. Correct? What is the multiplication? Multiplication is possible. How to multiply? A11, A22, A11, A22 minus, write it as minus, formula minus, A12, A21. A12, A21. Suppose my condition is, if both are negative, then it's also same answer. If both are negative, A11 is negative, A22 is negative, both are negative, then final answer should be negative into negative is positive. But here minus is compulsory, you have to put the minus value. Compulsory, you have to put the minus value because it's a formula minus. But if A12, A21 both are positive here, A12 and A21 both are positive. In case A12 is negative, A21 is positive. Then what happens? There is a bracket. This value is negative. Negative into negative becomes positive. Negative into negative becomes positive. But this is only case. Suppose, in case A21 is negative, then A21 into A12 minus A12, A12, both are negative. Here there will be negative. Then this value becomes what? A21 minus A21 into A12. But then will be minus. Formula minus. Minus or minus becomes plus. Therefore, while taking this type of situation, you follow A1 to A2 to A1 to A21, or better you write it's a bracket. Better you write a bracket. Whatever the entries of A1 to A21, either they are positive values or negative value, better you take a bracket. If both are negative, Negative into negative is positive, positive into negative is negative. But out of any value, any one of the value is negative, then total becomes negative. Correct? Therefore, by taking that much of order, you should take the precaution. This is very, very important. Or right. Or if A is equal to ABCD, then determinant of A is equal to ABCD. It is nothing but what? AD minus BC. Are you agree? I have changes their values. Before that, we have A11, A12, that is place values. But in general, we have taken ABCD. The determinant of A is nothing but the square becomes lies because of determinant AD minus BC. This is the formula. You should perfect with those formulas. After that, I will take one of the important factor, that is determinant of a matrix of order 3 cross 3. Determinant of a matrix of order 3 cross 3. Next is third one. Determinant of a matrix of order determinant of matrix of order 3 cross 3. Let A is equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, A33, BR square matrix of order 3 cross 3. Then the determinant of capital A is given by determinant of A is given by this value, which is nothing but A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Correct? There are these entries. How to remove this is nothing but first you write this is meant for positive, negative, positive, correct? Minus, just to bore you with the note what I have given. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. First our job is to write A11, right? First you write the value of A11. After that, you have to delete this row and this column where element A11 present. Correct? What you have to do? While finding the determinant value of order 3 cross 3, before that, first value is keep as it is A11, and you have to find out the determinant because of order is 3 cross 3, A11 as it is, and you have to eliminate this row and this column where element A11 present. Therefore, remaining element to write it as A22, A22, A23, correct? A23, A32, A32, after that A33, correct? After that, this position is minus as it is minus A1 and 2, correct? After that, just to observe my finger, because this is one of the important method where this situation is based on 5-mark question in the annual exam. A12 is this is the second row we have to eliminate in our row, and this we have to eliminate. We have to write A21, after that A23, after that A31, A33, correct? A33, A12, this row, sorry, this column and this row. A21, A22, A31, A33. After that, A13. Here there will be no entries. Here there will be no entries. What I am going to take is just to observe. This is you have to eliminate because of this element, and this is how to eliminate. This is I want to eliminate, and values are nothing but A21, A22, A31, A32, A21, A21, A22, A21, A22, A31, A31, A32, A31, A32. Again, I will take the conclusion that A11 is this row, this column, A22, A23, A32, A33. Yes. Minus A12, this row, this column, A21, A23, A31, A33. After that, A13 is the final element. This row, this column, A21, A22, A31, A32. Correct? After that, which implies determinant of capital A, which is equal to A11 into A11 into. Then we go for order, matrix of order 2 cross 2 manual. A22, A33, A22, A33 minus keep as it is A23, A32, A32. After that, there will be minus A12 as it is. Multiplication is this type multiplication A21, A33, A21, A33, A21, A33 minus A23, A31, A23, A21, A33 minus A23, A31 plus, why because plus minus plus A13 as it is, A13 as it is, A21 into A32 minus A22 into A31. Dear students, watch this type of videos in the some other context. Why? Because this is very important. The whole problem or whole topic determinant is based on this type of calculation. If we are missing any mistake which is happened in the while solving the problem, then total your marks should be lost. Correct? Therefore, while taking the determinant topic, this is very important for our study. Then what happens? A21, A22 both are numbers. Correct? Number minus number is a number. Number into number is again a number. All numbers are negative. Their addition, numbers are addition or subtraction again gives a number. Therefore, this is a determinant of a matrix of order 3 cross 3. I want to solve some problems which are based on determinant of a matrix of order 1, 2 and 3. Now mainly we have to focus at the determinant of a matrix of order 2 cross 2 and 3 cross 3, which are very important for your study. I will write some problems which are, first I will write examples. First one, find determinant of A where A is equal to 5. Solution: determinant of A is equal to determinant of 5 which is equal to 5. Why? Because it is because of we have one theory that determinant of matrix of order 1 cross 1 is number itself. After that, we will move towards the second number, that is evaluate 2 minus 10 5 2. Solution. Let delta is equal to 2 minus 10 5 2. Correct? Determinant of the matrix of order 2 cross 2, which is equals to 2 into 2. 2 into 2, better you write this format, minus 5 into minus 10. Dear students, please do the parenthesis or brackets, otherwise you get a confusion. Correct? Which is equals to 2 into 2, that is 4, minus, correct? Minus 50, correct? 10 into 5 is 50, which is equals to 4 plus 50, which is nothing but 54. The delta value is 54. Delta value is 54. After that, one function is there, not only numbers, these elements may be. Example, evaluate x minus 1, x plus 1, x. Evaluate. Solution. Let delta is equal to x minus 1, x plus 1, x. Correct? Which is equals to x into x minus x plus 1 into x minus 1. Correct? X into x, AD minus BC. Format is ABCD. What is the answer? AD minus BC. AD minus BC. Which is nothing but x square minus a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square, that is equal to x square minus 1. A square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is a square into b square, because a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. A square minus b square, which is nothing but x square minus x square minus 1 and plus 1, which is equal to 1. This is the evaluation of some results. We move towards one more, that is I will take a 3 cross 3 determinant, evaluate delta is equal to 1 minus 1 4 2 3 1 4 0 0 4 0 0. Solution. Delta is equal to, you have to eliminate first row and first column. We are going to take 1 into, we have to eliminate this column and this row, that is 3 0 1 0. Correct? After that, this place is plus minus position, this is a minus, you write it as minus 2. Suppose here there will be minus 2, then what happens? Minus 1 will become plus. Correct? Be careful while writing the entries. Therefore, minus 2. This value becomes, this column we have to eliminate and this row we have to eliminate. Minus 1 0, minus 1 0 4 0. Correct? 4 0, minus 1 0 4 0. After that, plus 4 into minus 1 3, minus 1 3 4 1, minus 1 3 4 1, minus 1 3 4 1. Correct? 1 into 3 0 1 0, 3 0 1 0, minus 2, minus 1 0 4 0, plus 4, minus 1 3 4 1. Correct? Minus 1 3 4. Then you take the values 1, 3 into 0, correct? You write it as, better you write it as 3 into 0 minus 0 into 1. Let it close. After minus 2 as it is, here there will be minus 1 into 0 minus 0 into 4. Correct? 0 into 4. Let it close. Plus 4 minus 1 into 1 minus 3 into 4. 3 into 4, which is nothing but which is nothing but 1. 3 into 0 is 0, correct? 0 into 1 is 0, minus 2 as it is, minus 1 into 0 is 0, 0 into 4 is 0, 0 into 4 is 0. After that, plus 4 into minus 1, minus 1 into minus 1, minus 12, which is nothing but this is 0, this is 0, plus 4 into minus 13, which is nothing but minus 52. Minus 52 is the right answer, right? Where minus 52 is the correct answer. After that, you may take one more problem, that is I will take evaluate delta is equal to 2, 5 minus 1 minus 100. Correct? This is the value where the matrix of order 2 cross 2. But our job is to find the answer, which is nothing but solution. Delta is equals to 2 into minus 100, 2 into minus 100 minus 5 into minus 1. Correct? What they are given? They are given of matrix of order 2 cross 2 it is. Now it becomes a determinant. 2, 5. 2 into minus 100 minus 5 into minus 1. This is the limit. Minus 200. Correct? 100 into 200. Minus of minus plus 5. It is equal to minus 195. The value of delta. Correct? 2 into minus 200 minus 200 minus of minus 5 minus is this minus is smaller, minus 5 into minus 1 minus 5 minus of minus is plus 5 195. I hope you are getting some ideas about how to find out determinant of a matrix of different order, either 1 cross 1, 2 cross 2 and 3 cross 3. Later we will discuss some more problems of the same topic, that is determinant of different order like 2 cross 2, 3 cross 3 in the next class. Thank you.